If you're looking to share your YouTube channel with others, you'll need to get the link to your YouTube account, also known as your YouTube channel URL. Here's a professional step-by-step guide on how to easily find and share your YouTube account link. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Open your web browser and go to YouTube. Click the Sign In button at the top right of the page. Enter your Google account credentials, email and password associated with your YouTube account. Step 2. Access your YouTube channel. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Your Channel. This will take you directly to your YouTube channel page. Step 3. Copy your channel URL. Once you're on your YouTube channel page, look at the URL bar at the top of your browser. The URL in the address bar is your YouTube account link, channel link. It will look something like this: https://www.youtube.com channel UCXXXXXX. Click on the URL in the address bar to highlight it, then right-click and select Copy to save the link. Step 4. Share your link. Now that you've copied your YouTube channel link, you can share it with others through email, social media, or any other platform where you want to promote your channel. Additional notes: custom URL, optional. If you meet certain requirements, YouTube allows you to set a custom URL for your channel, e.g. youtube.com, your channel name. To set a custom URL, go to your YouTube Studio, Customization, Basic Info, and check if you're eligible for a custom URL. Mobile users, you can follow the same steps on the YouTube app by going to your profile, selecting your channel, and copying the URL from the mobile browser or app interface. Now you're ready to share your YouTube account link with anyone. This link will take them directly to your channel where they can view your content, subscribe, and interact with your videos.